This is N2William with another quick video clip on replacing the speaker in a AH-27 Cherokee or any of these small walkie-talkies. Once again, this was the replacement was purchased on Amazon. Two of them come in. This is what I'm going to be replacing it with. This is the same speaker that I replaced in the Eagle Spitfire 454, but the way to get these speakers out so you do not damage the plastic housing is you just want to get in and with a hook and lift it, and it is epoxied in there, and you can get it out cleanly. You do not need any epoxy glue for the new speaker. It'll just go right in there and fit. So you could actually pull it out. You could see there's a grill there. There's also a grill on the back. I'm not going to reuse that grill. I'll try to pull it off. Am I going to put it on here? I'm not necessarily sure, but we will see. But the grill that's under the speaker, you could see none of the plastic has been perforated or damaged in any way. This plastic can easily crack. It's old. And then basically you're going to just desolder the positive and negative terminals. The yellow over here is positive, and I believe this is a white wire. Gray white is negative. You could see the polarity right here, positive and negative. And the speaker that's in there, if you look closely, you could see it's an 8 ohm 1 watt, and we're putting in an 8 ohm half a watt. So that's basically it. We'll be back in N2William Clear.